ladies and gents. So I am back with another video of repotting my snake plant because it outgrew its nursery pot a long time ago and I want it to grow bigger. So the items I used are obviously my snake plant, a measuring tape, a 6-inch diameter terracotta pot, and some potting soil. I used a mixture of cactus soil and just like general potting soil because I wanted it to retain some moisture but not too much. And I'll explain why I wanted to go with a 6-inch diameter terracotta pot a little bit later. So this is where we're starting out. There's nothing wrong with the plant, I just really want it to grow more and be a little bit more dense and like full, you know what I mean? So right here is where the measuring tape comes in handy. And right here you can see that the diameter of the nursery pot is 4 inches. And I've heard that the best thing to do with your plants is to slowly increase the pot size so that you avoid any kind of root rot and like, you know, extra shock, you know? So I measured the inside of this pot and it's 6 inches, so it's perfect. Right here, I'm just taking a look at the roots to see what's going on with it, and I realized that the water wasn't really penetrating through, it looked like. I had watered it maybe an hour to an hour and a half earlier, and only the top part looked like it was wet, so I was very confused. So I decided to try to break up the dirt a little bit to like prevent any sort of suffocation of the roots, you know what I mean? And also to get out a couple of the dead pieces that were already in there. So this natural potting soil, it has really awesome like earthworm castings and other things like that. And then the cactus soil has the perlite in it, so it has like a good mix of nutrients and drainage. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, there's a mouse, there's a mouse, there's a mouse, oh my god, 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 okay. Ooh. Oh my gosh. They're getting braver and braver every single day. Jesus. Okay. Alright. Alright, I think I'm done for today. I think that wraps it up. So here's the snake plant in the pot and it's looking really nice. It looks like it has room to grow and I'm pretty excited for this summer and spring when it'll grow some more, hopefully. So thank you so much for watching and I hope you guys have a great day. Make sure to leave a like and a comment if you liked it, and I'll see you guys next time. So here's the snake pot in the plant. Snake pot in the plant. What?